Mabuhay! Hello, Indonesia. My name is Jopel Botero Ibiosa. I am a Filipino, representing Team 1 Makasining, Polytechnic University of the Philippines, and RCP Production. I feel very humbled, honored, and thankful for being the first prize winner of the Global Festival International Photography Competition. My winning photograph depicts the strong faith and devotion of Filipinos during the Feast of Black Nazarene in Manila. Faith, devotion, and celebration are a significant part of colorful culture in various countries in the Asia-Pacific region. My achievement in this competition is a dream come true, inspiring me to become the best that I can be. To all the honorable judges, thank you so much. To the other winners in different categories, congratulations. And to the distinguished organizers, thank you very much. I wish you good luck and more success. Terima kasih banyak. Tuhan memberkati. Anda Levi. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!